Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to use extrude command in Autocad. For this, first we have to make something. Let's say I make this rectangle. It's already chamfered one. So we want to extrude this command and we need first a 3D view for this one. For 3D view you have to go here, this home, click here. You can see the UCS change from top view to this isometric view. We have to type ext extrude, then we have to select enter. Let's say I want height of this one 500. Now we make this is 3D model because this is wireframe. You can change the shade of this 3D view. For this we have to type shade mode, and there we have to type shader. You can see now it's changed to solid. You cannot rotate this one. For this you have to give a command 3D orbit, enter. Now you can see you can rotate freely in AutoCAD. We will do something else. Now again we type shade mode and we want type 2D, and here we will come back top view, we will come back here. Now let's say I want to draw a circle and we want to make a hole in this plate. How to do that? For that we have to make a circle in the center. Let's say this diameter is 500. We go to 3D view, orbit, it is below, yeah. Now we have to give extrude command ext, enter, and we give extrusion 500. This circle is created. We want to see in solid. For this, type shade mode, type shade. For rotating we have to type orbit. You can see circle is there. How to make a hole in this plate? For that we have to use a subtract command. This subtract, we have to select first from where we have to exclude. This one, enter. You can see that we already make a hole in this plate. In this way we can make a hole whatever in AutoCAD. There is one another interesting command here. You will use 3D orbit, and if I click this one, it automatically it will rotate all the way. Rotate fast here, there, as per your cursor movement. Then escape will cancel. Then definite. When you click home, this one automatically it will come in the isometric view. And if you want to go to the plane view, click top here. You're in the plan view. In this way, you can use extrude command. You can use only extrude command when your cycle is closed cycle. Let's say we will take another example. We will shade mode off. QD now. Let's we want make some even geometry. This one, this one. So for extrusion, this cycle should be a completed one. Means it should be a single line, polyline. Then you can only extrude. Otherwise, you cannot extrude. If you see this is single line, for that we put some fillet there. Now we have to join this a single line. For this, we have to do command pdit, select yes, join. You see, now it is single line. You can extrude now. How we can do that? I will explain again. We have to use pdit command, PEDIT. We select first this one, then make yes, enter, then join. You select all. So this is a single block now. We can extrude this one. That's why we go here. We type command extrude. Voila. So we can extrude in AutoCAD. If we want to see in solid, go to shade mode, then orbit. We can rotate this one. You can see here now. Let's say we want to make a hole here. Shade mode 2D. Shade mode is the front view. For this one, we have to change the UCS. Now you can draw the circle. See here, previously we didn't change the UCS because it was opposite from the front view. Make this one 500. We will extrude this one. And go to shade mode, shade, orbit. Now we will subtract this one. First this one. So in this way you can draw a hole there. If you need any information regarding this 3D AutoCAD, please do comment below. I will help you. Thank you very much.